So we are here, Ceramic Pro, Clear Bra Indy. This is the Shelby. Got the full frontal completed with the paint protection film. So full frontal is going to include the front bumper, the hood, the fenders, right? So all of this, the mirrors, I can see kind of like the line. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a line like where the film is. And then there's like a impact area over here. I'm not sure where they stopped, unless they did the whole thing. I don't know. I'm gonna go inside, figure something out here. Hey, sorry, recording. Kyle, I'm out here to pick up the Shelby.
Yes.
Yes.
I recognized you.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Sure you love it.
Can I come? Or no?
Sure. You want to?
Yeah, I'm always recording, so you guys always got nice cars in here.
Like the things that, yeah, your car said that.
Yeah, I saw that. I was actually looking at it.
Oh, we just wanted to walk through and look.
Yeah. Oh, is Kyle back here?
Actually, when here, Eric was looking at it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll catch him. He has with another customer.
Yeah, sure.
So,
That's no problem.
They're just looking at a badge on a Tesla. And
Yeah.
so it shouldn't take long. But,
I was actually thinking about getting one of those. I want one of these right here.
pardon?
I said I want one of these right here.
You know what? You would look good in that today because your shirt would match that.
Yeah. See, I agree. That's the next project though right there, I'll tell you that much.
Well, that's a nice car. It's never boring.
Yeah, exactly. It's like the best place to be. So that's what that looks like, huh? So before it was kind of like a gloss,
Yeah, it was shiny.
you know,
Yeah.
factory paint.
Like the Lamborghini. He actually had a glossy or the shiny. He put the film on. They took it off and put them out.
So this isn't an actual color change. It was already this color, but it's just a matte clear.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, they took off the shiny.
Yeah.
The shiny clear and put on the matte clear.
Oh, that actually looks good though. I mean, I like it. Yeah. Hey, how you doing?
Man, let's do it, baby.
You know, man, I'm always recording.
What do you want to see?
Huh?
What do you want to see? Anything? You got the whole place to yourself. What do you want? Where I can do to help?
I'm just gonna walk around. Wait, I'm waiting for Kyle so he can show me that, I guess. Walking
I'm ready
around.
to do that with you as well. I looked at it
we
very
can do that.
closely.
Let's do that. Yeah. I was out there looking, but I couldn't really, I guess it's supposed to be hard to tell that you have the paint protection film on there.
Yep.
So I saw it in like on the mirror, of course, and I couldn't.
There's the paint touch-up. Oh. Remember how the mismatch was right there?
Oh yeah. Okay.
So the closer you look,
Yeah.
the more you see stuff.
But it doesn't, like when you step out, it just kind of disappears a little bit. Okay, so here's the line for the, sorry, talking to the camera kind of. But yeah, so there's a line for like the impact area. That's cool. See, when I looked at it the first time, I didn't even see that line. That's why I kind of wanted to go in there to talk to Kyle, because I'm like, where is it at? But okay, that makes sense.
Yep. What do you do to your motor?
It's pro charged. 856 wheel horsepower.
How many?
856 wheel horsepower. Yeah. Yep.
So you can see right here, we're looking all the way around.
Oh yeah.
See that film's in there, right? It rolls right around.
Okay.
There's a little chipper, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I think I have those kind of like everywhere, yeah.
Yeah, they're just a little bit here, there, but only you and I are noticing, and the people watching this video.
Oh yeah. Okay.
All the way up around in here, right?
Yeah.
Remember about the stripes where we...
Oh yeah, where you cut around them, right?
We made sure your engine bay didn't have any water spots or whatnot. It's a pretty girl. A lot of this process is they're spraying film and whatnot. So if you see some kind of drops like water stains, there's a couple.
No, that's cool. I'm actually gonna have the bay clean when I take it to get it detailed. So
awesome.
No problem at all. So I mean, yeah, I wish I would have brought it to you guys like as soon as I got it. You know,
Never heard that before.
Yeah, but this looks good though.
Yeah, Kyle is amazing at that. Now, there might be some moisture there because it
probably come out kind of like
you
tint
remember
type
when
of
they
thing.
put this on, like here, when they put this on, it will have moisture underneath, and it's like got nowhere to go. So you're literally waiting for stuff to evaporate.
Yeah.
So what happens in the building here is it didn't look like this. It didn't look like this 24 hours ago.
Yeah.
There were bubbles.
Kind of like window
Pop 'em
tint,
all.
like window tint, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And 24 hours from now, you probably go, oh man, that wasn't there.
Yeah.
Wait for a couple days, bring it back, like 3 minutes. Bink, bink, bink.
Yeah. Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep, makes sense.
We have some touch-up paint. I don't know if you want, or do you want to do decals for that?
Oh yeah, I have decals. I'll get rid of it. Yeah, there's you said you'd probably paint it instead.
I would if I were you.
Yeah.
Steady hand, right? No coffee and
no coffee. Yeah, but the mirrors everything looks great. Yeah, I should have got it. As soon as I got it, you know, off the lot, I should have brought it here. And just got the entire thing done. That's what I should have done.
That was always the next one, right?
Absolutely. I actually want one of those GT3s, or if I get my hand on a GT2 RS, one day soon.
And
She was
exactly what
telling me
we're
about.
looking at right
Yeah.
here, this map.
Yeah.
And what you can tell is that color difference.
Oh yeah, yeah. But that looks good though. Like that's they did the right thing with this mat for sure.
He's getting mad as well.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah, this is angry.
I've never seen one of these up close before.
Look at those rotors.
Yeah, it's huge.
Let's go over here to this side. It's nasty. That's a serious performance unit.
Yeah. I've seen some of these customized before, but that's it.
This is our third one, and usually when I come in, everybody's like, "Oh man!" I used to drive sports cars for a living.
Yeah. Oh really?
Yeah. And I still look at this. I'm like, man, you can't push it that hard because you're on the streets. But
Yeah.
it's freaking awesome. Look at those brakes. Look at those $14,000 brake upgrade, right?
Yeah, exactly. Those things are huge. What is this, sensor? For like a front camera or something? What is
I
that?
suspect, sure.
Middle?
You're right. I know a lot of them, you're like, you get in there and you have to go, okay, where's the starter button?
Yeah, exactly.
Take a peek in there, jump in this and figure out where the starter button is real quick.
Yeah.
I'll give you 10 seconds. Ready?
10 seconds.
I'll hold.
Find out how to start it. Right there. That's kind of cool though.
Yeah.
I like that. I hate sitting in
It's
people's
strong.
cars, but you know.
It's all good shit with car creep fans, right?
Yeah. It's a pretty painless process, no issues.
Oh, 0 for yours.
Okay.
Let's ask Danny. Hey, Danny, Aubrey, Mustang, anything to share? The feedback you saw other we knew that there was a couple chips here and there, but it's normal.
Maybe touch up the ones in that driver's side quarter back there.
Yeah, back.
Otherwise, yeah, the kit went really well, and it can tile trim all around the stripes, so there's not the like white gap.
Yeah.
You come up really close. Have you ever seen this up close? It's pretty cool. These guys
Nah.
are good. This is Danny. This is what, your second install ever? Yours was his first.
Yeah, that was my first one that Mustang. Had to practice on it before I could be official.
Hey, it happens. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, man, no, your car went really well. There's nothing weird or anything strange. It all fit. I've done a couple of the GT350s, and which I'm dying to know what all you got done to it, because I know it's not stock.
Yeah, it's just Pro Charge right now. Got some suspension components coming, but it's just Pro Charge.
Okay.
Changed the oil pump gear, crank sprocket.
Who did the Pro Charger on it?
Streetcraft. You know David Griffin?
Where's it at?
David Griffin, he used to work for Hennessy Performance,
Okay.
and he works for SCT right now. So
Oh, wait. He has a GT350, right?
yeah, exactly. He brought his here, yeah.
It's like yours, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It's like blue and white.
Well, it's not blue and white, but his is,
his is the gray. Yeah,
but his friends had the other one, the blue one, just all blue one that you
yep.
did. Yeah, so he actually recommended me here.
Okay.
But yeah, so he's the one who actually tuned it. and all that type of stuff. So
man, because he has a white ZR1.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
I love that car.
Yeah, I'm jealous
that's
of him.
That's what I always wanted, the white ZR1.
Yeah.
He drove that when he came to pick up his TT350, and it was,
yeah.
that thing's awesome.
Yeah, he gets to drive all the cool shit. Like, see, I would never ever buy one of these, but they're kind of cool.
This is a little different. And I want to touch this one because the steering is a brand new black car that came in super scratchy.
From like a car wash type of stuff.
But it had never been to a car wash. It just comes off like that.
Oh, really?
Straight up.
Wow.
And black really magnifies it, and really pretty black magnifies it. So we polish the heck out of it.
Okay.
And it gets a lot of layers of ceramic coating.
Okay.
And that's why if you go over to the side and you go down, it almost looks like a mirror. You see yourself.
Oh, yeah.
Down on your knee when you get to the door.
The door. Yep.
At night.
Yeah. So which ceramic coating package is this?
Oh, you remember? Is this the gold?
Oh, I think
Is this the gold?
Oh, he's back there.
Oh, my bad. This is the gold package, and on this bad dude it was $1,300.
Gold package.
A little different for, if you know anything about ceramics, a little different in caring for it in that you, and then we did the wheels too. This was why they're jamming.
Oh,
Pull them
gotcha.
off, do the inside of the barrels, no brake dust.
Yeah. Hey, what's going on, man?
Resist. You know, you keep them pretty. You spray them off. All done.
Yeah.
The care for this is either touchless car washes, if you can get your tires through it, or the old bucket at home.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I always hand wash my stuff anyway.
YouTube videos, right?
Huh?
Seen YouTube videos for this stuff?
Oh, ceramic. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I actually want mine done as well, so I'll probably bring mine back here, at some point. Just not sure what package I was going to go with. Probably the gold. She said I can put it over the Cilia. I guess she don't work here anymore, but she said I could always get it put over the film.
The film.
Yeah.
This is what we put over your film right here. This base coat for PPF and vinyl. And then we got, that's the first layer of it. Then we go with the second layer right after that, which is called PPF vinyl top coat.
Okay.
Which is basically, it's the same thing. Like this is a 9/8, and the top coat is the light coat, which we do on just the paint surface.
Okay. Yeah, I got you.
This
That's just
goes
the hardest.
Yeah, this just goes on the film.
Okay.
He'd probably be doing your car.
Okay.
Give that to your kids, right?
Yeah. He's actually going to use it. Probably color on my wall, put a sticker on my wall. This looks good though. This looks great.